What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel, and yes, today I have with me is the Fantech Luminous C30, a Quad HD capable webcam, and I was able to buy this online for 1,500 pesos, and this is definitely one of the more cheaper webcam options in the market. And Fantech is actually quite an underrated brand, mainly with their gaming headsets. Like, they're really good for the price, and the main reason why I bought this is I actually want to find out if this is a good option for streamers, small streamers who want to upgrade from a shitty webcam, and is this actually a good alternative to something like the Logitech C920, maybe one of the best quality webcams right now in the market, that's literally more than double the price of the Fantech C30. So I'm just gonna call this the C30 and not the Luminous C30. So again, capable of recording at Quad HD, 4 megapixel sensor, and a 106-degree field of view. So just on these three specs alone is already an advantage for the C30, as the C920, C920S is only capable of recording at 1080p with a 2 megapixel sensor and a 78-degree field of view. So the C30 has a 360-degree rotating base, which is a very nice feature, built-in microphone, again a 106-degree field of view. It says here for streamers and YouTubers and compatible with Mac and PC. And it says here suitable for OBS, Discord, Skype, and Zoom with a USB-A interface. So again, capable of recording at Quad HD, 4 megapixel sensor, 106-degree field of view, and unfortunately is only capable of recording at Quad HD at 25 FPS. So for the Quad HD quality on the C30, I feel like I need to make a separate video on that. But yeah, for now, let's unbox this. Okay, not a good packaging. So here we have the webcam itself. And this actually comes with a lens cover, which is a very nice touch, and the base, which you can actually mount to a tripod. So very nice again. Okay, so I think that's good. And removing the lens cover. So one thing I'm not sure about is if the lens is actually covered by glass. So yeah, this is how the Fantech C30 looks like. So of course, like most webcams, you can clip this to the top of your monitor, or again, mount this to a tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna test out the Fantech C30 and compare the video quality to the Logitech C920 and come back to you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
At nagbabalik na po tayo mga kuya. So what you're seeing right now is from the lens of the Fantech C30, and the audio that you're hearing right now is actually from my lab mic, and you'll be hearing the microphone quality on the Fantech C30 in a little bit compared to the Logitech C920. As you can see, the video quality on the Fantech C30, it actually has really good detail, like significantly sharper video quality compared to the Logitech C920, which is what you're seeing right now. So in terms of just plug and play on the Fantech C30 and using the default settings, video settings, here at OBS, colors look yellowish and underexposed, as you can see. And compared to the Logitech C920, the C920 actually has the ability to blur out your background or blur it out completely. And as you can see with the C30, pretty much everything in my room is in focus, which I guess comes down to preference if you like that. Hello, mic test, sound check, and what you're hearing right now is from the built-in microphone of the Fantech C30, and I would say I'm about 15 inches from the Fantech C30 and the Logitech C920, which is clipped to my monitor. Hello, mic test, sound check, and what you're hearing right now is from the built-in microphone of the Logitech C920. And a side-by-side comparison in terms of video quality, again, the Fantech C30 just has better detail, sharper video quality, but the Logitech C920 just does a significantly better job in exposing better colors. And even though I'm recording at 1080p, unfortunately for the Fantech C30, you're only able to record or stream at 25 FPS. So as you can see, movement is significantly smoother here on the Logitech C920. I mean, it's not bad by any means, recording or streaming with the Fantech C30. Also, if you're willing to change the video settings on the Fantech C30 through OBS, then you can get significantly better color, better white balance, and yeah, for me, just an overall better video quality. And yeah, this is what it looks like if you're gonna be using this for something like streaming. And of course, if you guys are just starting off on streaming, then I highly suggest you to get something like at least a ring light, because you can bring out the best video quality out of a cheap camera with good lighting. So yeah.
A few moments later,
and yeah, for my verdict on the Fantech C30, this is a really great value. I think a no-brainer webcam for just 1,500 pesos. For 1,500 pesos, you get significantly sharper videos as compared to something like the Logitech C920. Although yeah, even though the Fantech C30 has significantly sharper videos, in my opinion, the Logitech C920 just offers better overall video quality as you would expect for the price. But of course, if you don't have 4,000 to 5,000 pesos to spend on a webcam, then yeah, the Fantech C30 is definitely a great alternative for the Logitech C920, especially for the budget-conscious streamers. And again, you get a clip-on lens cover on the Fantech C30 and you can pretty much rotate it to the orientation that you want. And I guess really the only thing that I don't like about the Fantech C30 is that you're only able to record at 25 FPS. But yeah, other than that, I can easily recommend this of course for 1,500 pesos. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy this. And of course, the easiest way to support the channel is by leaving a like. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications so hopefully we can balance this out soon. As always, stay safe mga kuya. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.